Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin at the visible hardware, locate the castle nut and the cotter pin's bent ends. Use safety glasses, metal shards fly. Once positioned, straighten the bent tail with pliers so you can access the pin's head. This exposes the pin without forcing it. Make sure the axle or spindled part is supported to prevent rotation. If the pin is rusty, apply penetrating oil and wait a few minutes. This reduces risk of snapping and helps the next extract. You now remove the pin. Grip the exposed head with pliers and pull straight out while you stabilize the nut or spindle with your other hand. If the pin won't budge, place a small punch on the opposite end and tap gently with a hammer. Short, controlled blows prevent bending or breaking. Once loosened, work it back and forth and pull through. If the head sheared, cut any protruding piece flush and then drive the remainder out from the other side. You finish by inspecting the hole, nut, and threads for damage, clean debris and rust. Install a new cotter pin of the correct diameter, push it fully through, and bend the legs around the castle nut to lock it. Bend one leg up and one back, or both around depending on clearance. Torque the nut to spec before bending. If a pin broke inside, use a magnet for steel or heat and a punch to coax fragments out. If stubborn, an extractor or drilling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.